course, fire, which burns with passion, courage, and inspiration, is represented by our Great 10 Live learners joining us in person. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Let's continue clapping our hands as our Great 10 prophecies make their way into our multi-purpose gym.
Umaawit sa gabi.
ACFAO's faculty and staff. Let's clap our hands once more for PACFAO's faculty and staff. We are also joined by our partners from CFA. Let's clap our hands for Miss Raquel Dayo and Miss Ira Marie Sol. Let's give another fiery welcome to our beloved directress, Dr. Tess Barcelona. Joined by our president founder. Let's clap our hands for brother Alvin Barcelona. Let's give it up one more time for ACFAO's faculty and staff. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up one more time for the hardworking men and women behind BACFAO.
Palakpakan din po natin ang ating high school life.
All of us, and welcome to Barcelona Academy's 16th victory ceremonies and to BACFAO's 4th victory ceremonies. To those who are veterans already of our closing programs, you know that we call our joint graduation, moving up, completion, recognition day as Victory Day. And today is a very special one because we're celebrating this with our online life learners. Kaya sinusulit po namin, minsan lang po kayo makarating sa inyong paaralan. Kaya kita nyo, opening pa lang 1 oras na. Your event, the stage is yours, the spotlight is yours. But you know what? I'm sure you know by now that success is never a solo endeavor. Kaya kayo nagtatagumpay dahil sa maraming mga tao sa likod ng inyong. Ako ay nagtagumpay dahil sa inyo. Hindi ko natin, sinabi ko. Muna namin ang this, sabihin nyo lang, thank you, Mommy, thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Mommy.
Alam nyo, tandaan nyo ito ha. Every celebration of success and victory should also get one. Parents, life learners, I'm sure you will. Silver po tayo sa swimming sa Central Luzon Regional Athletic Association meet. At bakit ko po binabanggit amongst the other awards? Kasi po yung nanalo, online student, nandito po siya. Si Riona Escap. Where are you, Riona? Ayan po, palakpakan natin si Riona. Ay, yun siya. Alam ko, nakita ko siya kanina. At the back. So, kita nyo, online. Pero, no boundaries, no limits now to be the best of yourselves. Naalala ko tuloy, yung sabi ng K-pop Golden, di ba? I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Yan kayo. Kaya sa gala night, andito din ang ilan sa inyo. Talagang you came as prince and princesses. Si Riona Escap. Where are you, Riona? Ayan po, palakpakan natin si Riona. Ay, yun siya. Alam ko na.
Alisan to nga. Ayun.
At the back. So, kita nyo, online. Pero, no boundaries, no limits now to be the best of yourselves. Naalala ko tuloy, yung sabi ng K-pop Golden, di ba? I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Yan kayo. Kaya sa gala night, andito din ang ilan sa inyo. Talagang you came before life. Hey, here she is. Palakpakan na po natin si Riona. One-time life learner. Swimming champion, swimming winner. Ay, sinusubo ko lang kung alam niyo yung mga costume, ha? So, tama, taekwondo. Taekwondo ka pala nanalo. Ayun. Swimming na rin ba? Hindi, ako taekwondo talaga. Silver. Siya ba ilalaban hanggang hanggang after Claraan? Ayan po. Ang susunod po kasi nito, palarong pangbansa na. And we have athletes who compete up to palarong pangbansa like our badminton players. So, congratulations on your Taekwondo silver medal, Riona Escap. Thank you. You make us so proud. Okay. Hindi na kita hinga ng sample. Kasi papa ako, swimming ako na swimming. Taekwondo pala. Si Greco, ayan, nabanggit ko, palarong pangbansa na po. Swimming champion, swimming winner.
Taekwondo.
Ay, sinusubo ko lang kung alam niyo yung mga costume, ha? So, tama, taekwondo. Taekwondo ka pala nanalo. Ayun. Swimming na din ba? Hindi, mali po ako, taekwondo talaga. Silver. Siya ba ilalaban hanggang, hanggang after Claraan? Ayan po. Ang susunod po kasi nito, palarong pangbansa na. And we have athletes who compete up to palarong pangbansa like our badminton players. So, congratulations on your Taekwondo silver medal, Riona Escap. Thank you. You make us so proud. Okay. Hindi na kita hinga ng sample. Kasi papa ako, swimming ako na swimming. Taekwondo pala. Si Greco.
I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation and completion for the school year 2025-2026. Our life learners have fully completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education.
Doc Mom Test. From grade 6 Abundance, we have 11 boys and 18 girls. And from the class of grade 10 Prophecies, we have 15 boys and 16 girls. They are now ready for your confirmation. Thank you.
To our dear moms and dads, it is so wonderful to see your smiling faces today. Good afternoon and congratulations. And to our dear life learners, this is the moment you have worked hard to reach. And so, by the power vested upon me by the Department of Education, and by the Board of Trustees of Barcelona Academy and CFA-H, I hereby proclaim you graduates and completers. Congratulations!
Let's give another warm round of applause for our grade 6 and grade 10 life learners, our newly conferred graduates. Let's take this opportunity for a photo. Saktong nandyan po yung ating mga life learners. Let's invite our directress, Dr. Tess Barcelona, to join them, along with our president founder, Brother Alvin Barcelona, our principal, Ma'am Melo Maagho, and of course our partners from CFAO, Ms. Ira Marie Sol and Ms. Raquel Dayaw, along with our life learners joining us online via Zoom. There they are, nandun po sila. Oh. Kita-kita natin sila sa LED wall joining us in this beautiful celebration. Wave your hands, yay! And there you have them. Malakas na palakpakan po muli para sa ating newly confirmed graduates and completers, our grade 6 and grade 10 life learners. Congratulations to you. We carry the joy in our hearts seeing all of you being confirmed as graduates and completers of school year 2025-2026. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po muli natin ang ating grade 6 and grade 10 life learners. You may now return to your assigned seats. Thank you so much. Indeed, our grade 6 and grade 10 BACFAO life learners have journeyed through a season of discovery, season of growth, and joyful learning. That's why it is such a meaningful moment for us to witness their confirmation as completers and graduates of this amazing school year. Can we clap our hands to them again as we proceed to the highlight of our celebration today?
And now we have come to the moment we have all been waiting for, the recognitions of our young achievers.
The highest honors, subject proficiency in Filipino, English, Mathematics, Science, Araling Panlipunan, CLE, PLE, and MAPE. Congratulations to AJ. Siya ngayon ay kasama ng kanyang mga minamahal na magulang as he receives the fruit of his hard work dedication throughout the school year, his certificate and medal, being able to garner a general weighted average of 98 and above for what has been such a fruitful school year for him. Congratulations again to AJ. There you go. Palakpakan po muli natin. Sole recipient of with highest honors. This time, may we invite... We know our life learners are not just moving up, they are moving forward with all of the learnings, with all of the joy and compassion that they have learned throughout the school year. As we have a photo. Shall we invite our dear President, Brother Alvin Barcelona, to join them? Thank you, sir. Of course, kasama sa entablado ang ating mga partners from CFA, our principal, directress.
In Filipino.
Also joining us in person, let's have on stage Devera, Sophia, and Margaret R. with high honors. Subject proficiency in Filipino, mathematics, science, CLE, ELE, and mapping.
And to complete the set is Scott Rian C. with high honors, subject proficiency in Filipino, English, mathematics, science, AP, CLE, TLE, and mapping.
Congratulations again to our live learners on stage. Receiving now the fruits of their hard work throughout the school year, their hard-earned and well-deserved certificates and medals. Let's look at the camera, smile. Few more photos on that side. Then of course we have the white shot group photo nitong ating set of completers on stage. Muli, yan ay sina Mika, Umaya, Sophia, and Brian. One more photo on that side, and then we're ready to take our group shot. There you go. Let's look at the camera. Nandito po sa gawing gitna. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you so much and congratulations to our life learners on stage. Let's now proceed to our next set of completers. Joining us in person, let's have on stage Guarin Charlie Janelle R. with high honors, subject proficiency in Filipino, English.
High honors, subject proficiency in Filipino, English, mathematics, science.
Let's clap our hands once more for our leaders and graduates.
Tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, when tomorrow comes, when tomorrow comes, I know the road is long. I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found a stopping out. getting me through the night.
There you have our completers and graduates on stage. Let's give them a warm round of applause. As we ask them to remain in the same pose. Are they gonna do something? Malakas na palakpak po muli para sa ating completers and graduates. Thank you so much to our live learners on stage. Let's capture this moment with a photo, shall we? Balikan natin yung pose ninyo kanina, okay lang? Sige, balik tayo sa last pose ninyo. The ones where you guys are seated. Yan. One more time for Teacher A. Ayan, I believe she's ready to join us. Department Coordinator for our elementary level. BACFAO. Let's look at the camera. Smile. 1, 2, 3. The one at the center, our official photographer. Wider smiles. Wave your hands this time. Happy shot. There you go. Palakpakan po muli natin ang ating mga live learners. Here for several days. Just a single day in person. Live na practice, rehearsals, and then most of it happens on their own independently. That's how good our live learners are, being able to learn the. And so, muli na natin palakpakan ang ating grade 6 and grade 10 live learners for another surprise performance. There's more indeed.
This is our life. Every scar turns into light. Sa harap ng mundo, buong kapal. Ito kami, walang pag-aalilangan. is our stage, this is our life. Every scar turns into light. Sa harap ng mundo, buong tapang. Ito kami, walang pag-aalinlangan. Raise your hands, feel the fire inside. Sumakbay sa awit, sabay sa ingay. This is the show, this is our stage. Dancing on stage, this is our stage. Dream it, live it, feel it, own it. This is our moment. This is our stage.
A round of applause again to our completers and graduates for that amazing bonus performance. Sulit. That's the word of the day. Sulit indeed. Thank you so much to our grade 6, grade 10 completers and graduates. Are we having one more photo? Alright, palakpakan po muli natin ang ating grade 6 and grade 10 live learners. Surprised us with a bonus performance. Indeed, sulit itong hapon na ito, hindi lang para sa ating mga live learners, but I bet for all of us here today. Let's take this opportunity that they are standing here on stage as we also invite the rest of our live learners to stand. For we are about to proceed with our pledge of loyalty. We will be giving our live learners an opportunity to reaffirm their commitment and loyalty to our beloved institution. For the pledge of loyalty, let's invite Kaden Iaj Nepomuceno from grade 6 Abundance and Jardy Janelle Arguering from grade 10 Prophecies to lead us. Live learners, please rise.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I'm a BA CFA Life Learner.
I'm a BA CFA Life Learner.
I learn life here.
I learn life here.
I'm a BA CFA Life Learner.
I'm a BA CFA Life Learner.
I'm alive. I'm blessed. I'm the best.
I'm alive. I'm blessed. I'm the best.
I live my life to the fullest.
I live my life to the fullest.
I'm a BA CFA Life Learner.
I'm a BA CFA Life Learner.
And these truths I hold.
And these truths I hold.
Life is a blessing.
Life is a blessing.
We receive, we thank, we celebrate.
We receive, we thank, we celebrate.
Life is with purpose.
Life is with purpose.
We dream, we achieve, we give.
We dream, we achieve, we give.
Life is God with us.
Life is God with us.
We trust, we hope, we love.
We trust, we hope, we love.
These we believe in His name.
These we believe in His name.
By His grace we forever proclaim.
By His grace we forever proclaim.
To God be the glory,
forever and ever. Amen.
Congratulations! Palakpakan po muli natin ating mga live learners. Congratulations to our awardees from the undergraduate classes. And
Holy Spirit, renew the face of the earth. Fill us with your virtues. Learn life till we rest. Be alive, be blessed, be the best. Live life to the fullest. In God's love we will stay. Go us along the way.
of course, our completers and graduates on stage. Congratulations once again to each and every one, as we also want to extend our gratitude to our beloved parents, guardians, friends and guests. Maraming salamat po for joining us in today's celebration. Different pose if you want. And happy shot! Wave your hands! Yay! There you have our BACFAO live learners joining us on stage. Congratulations again to each and every one of you. May you carry the joy of this celebration as you take your next.
Ikaw pala yan. Magalaw kasi kamay ko. Bye-bye! We are the property girls. 1, 2, 3, go! We are the property girls. 1, 2, 3, go! We are the property girls! Okay, asan yung boys? Ay, wait lang. Sana yun? Ano sila yun? Wow!